Hi everyone. In this lecture we're going to see how we can multiply in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so to multiply in Microsoft Excel we use the asterisk symbol. Now this is a basic star type looking symbol. Okay, so just to look at our examples, if we had 2 here and 2 here and we wanted to multiply them, how would we do it? Okay, well we'd basically click into a cell and type equals B11, which is here, times C11, which is here. And that would give us 4. Another use for this multiplication symbol is to basically take a value in a cell and then multiply it by a value that's not in a cell. So for example, if we wanted to multiply this value by 5, we would click into a cell and write equals B14 times 5, and this would give us 10. Similarly, this asterisk symbol can also be used to multiply cells that are not next to each other. So for example, if we had 3 here and 5 here, and we wanted to multiply them together, then we would write equals B17, which is here, times C19, which is here. And that would give us 15. We can also use this to multiply values on the go, that is, values that are not in cells themselves. So for example, if we wanted to multiply 4 times 4 to give us an answer of 16, we would click into a cell and write equals 4 times 4, and that would give us 16. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. Just to wrap up, you have learnt how to use the multiplication symbol in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for listening and watching.